All right, folks, Blender GIS and OpenTypography. Here's an error, cannot reach OpenTypography web service. This is DOMLYSZ. So I was going to try to show you how to show you where you can put that. Person said they have an API key, but they don't know exactly where to place it. They don't see the elevation setting that everyone is talking about in preferences to put it in there. Okay, so what you need to make note of is this website, OpenTypography.org. Create an account, and when you go to MyOpenTopo, it'll pull up this page, and right here is the API key that you'll need to put into Blender. So when you hit Request API, you'll get this code. It won't be this exact one, you'll get your own. So you copy that, and then I would use something like Notepad. Paste it in there, because we're going to need that for later. Go into Blender, and go into Blender Preferences. This is the GIS Preferences, and this window pulls up. Go down here at the bottom where it says Elevation Server, OpenTypography SRTM 30. Hit Edit, Description, OpenTypography SRTM 30 meters. That's 30M. This right here. So you want to click, make sure all of that is selected, and you want to copy that. So I can't right click and copy that for some reason. Go back to your notepad, paste that in, and what you may originally get is just this information right here. This is probably what you'll see originally when you install it. So you may get all of this, and then you, after TIFF, you may not have an API key. So, and then when you try to do your elevation data and it gives you an error code, that's because you do not have an API key assigned to it in order for it to work. So this information right here, ampersand API underscore key equals sign, you want to add this to the back of this, and then your API key that you got from the MyOpenTopograhy site, add that to the end of this text string there, and then copy all of that. Go back into that Blender preferences for Blender GIS, and where this URL template, that's where you want to paste it in, and then hit OK. And then you want to do the same for the 90M. Hit Edit, make sure it says 90M, copy that, go into Notes, paste it. If it, once again, if it doesn't have anything like, if you get yours like this, then all you need to do is add the ampersand API key to the end of that, and then copy your same code because you requested it from OpenTypography. Paste that on the end of there, and then copy all of that. Go back in here, make sure this is the 90M, and then paste it in that URL template. Hit OK, and then you should be able to get, I mean, you can hit refresh if you want, but you should be able to get elevation data from the OpenTypography website. So once again, create an account if you don't have one, OpenTypography.org. Once you have an account, sorry, that's my cat, hit the Request API key. That's going to show you a code, and then Blender GIS Preferences. Go down to the bottom of that window. You'll see elevation data. Let me expand this out. In the drop-down menu, do the 30M, hit Edit, copy this code. Notepad, if you have that, paste it in. And if you don't have anything after TIFF, then add this right here, and API underscore key equal, and then your API key from the website, paste that after that, copy all of that, go back in Blender, paste it in here, and then select the 90M and do the same thing, and then you should be able to get elevation data to work. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I hope this is a higher resolution video since the other one was a little grainy and low resolution. So, all right. Happy blendering, guys.